Hi folks, Warren Buffett here. Well, not exactly, but let's pretend for a moment. Today, I want to talk to you about something that gets my eyebrows raised higher than a Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting: crypto. You've heard the stories, people getting rich overnight, headlines screaming Bitcoin hits $100,000, but here's the truth. Most people are playing a dangerous game without knowing the rules. If you stay with me for the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you how to approach crypto safely, how to avoid the traps that drain your savings, and how you can invest in the digital future without losing your shirt. So grab a pen, maybe a calculator, and let's get started. Now, let's talk about the challenge. The average American household has over $90,000 in debt. That's according to the latest Federal Reserve data in 2025. Inflation is hovering around 4 to 5%, which erodes the value of cash sitting in your savings account. And here's the kicker. The crypto market, while exciting, is extremely volatile. Bitcoin, for example, has swung from $20,000 to over $70,000 in just a year. Imagine holding on to your life savings while your balance jumps and plunges like a roller coaster. Most people panic, sell at the bottom, and then wonder why they didn't get rich. That's the problem. Without a plan, crypto can feel more like gambling than investing. And I've always said, rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, never forget rule number one. That applies here too. Before you touch crypto, ask yourself, are you prepared to lose 20%, 50%, even 80% of this money and still sleep at night? If not, you need a safe approach. So why do people chase crypto? Simple. FOMO, fear of missing out. But investing isn't about chasing headlines. It's about patience, discipline, and understanding what you own. Let's use a simple analogy. Buying crypto is like buying a piece of a startup in a garage. Some startups grow into Apple, most don't. If you pick blindly, you're gambling, not investing. And here's a reality check. As of January 2026, roughly 12% of Americans own crypto, but over 60% of them say they don't fully understand it. That's a recipe for panic selling and losses. But it doesn't have to be this way. Even in a market as volatile as crypto, there's a smart Buffett-style way to participate safely. Here's how I would approach crypto if I were investing today, safely with a long-term perspective. First, only invest what you can afford to lose. This isn't just advice, it's a rule. If losing this money keeps you up at night, don't invest it. Think of crypto like a high-risk side hustle. It can make money, but it shouldn't fund your rent. Second, stick to reputable coins and funds. Instead of chasing obscure tokens, look at well-established options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you want even more safety, consider crypto ETFs or trust funds, which spread your risk across multiple assets. Third, dollar cost average. Don't try to time the market. Invest a fixed amount each month, regardless of price. This strategy, which I've used with stocks for decades, smooths out the ups and downs. Think of it as paying for groceries. You don't wait for a sale to eat dinner tonight. Fourth, focus on long-term trends, not headlines. AI, blockchain, and decentralized finance are shaping the future of money. But don't get caught up in hype. Ask yourself, will this still be around in 5 to 10 years? If yes, great. If no, move on. Fifth, don't neglect your traditional investments, your retirement, your emergency fund, your low-cost index ETFs. These are your safety net. Crypto should complement, not replace, these foundations. I always say, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. But in crypto, sometimes the wise move is caution, not greed. And here's a tip many beginners overlook. Use cold storage wallets or secure exchanges. The last thing you want is to have your digital fortune vanish because of a hack. Security matters big time. Now let's make this real. Here's what you can do today to start safe crypto investing. Calculate your risk budget. Take out a piece of your disposable income you can afford to invest. Pause here and write it down. Open an account with a reputable exchange or crypto ETF provider. Think of it like opening a brokerage account. You want reliability. Choose 1 or 2 major coins, not 10 random tokens. Keep it simple. Set up automatic monthly investments. Even $50 or $100 adds up over time. Secure your investments with cold storage wallets or 2FA security. Don't let hackers take what's yours. And track your portfolio quarterly, not daily. The market will tempt you to check every hour, but discipline is key. Do this and you'll avoid the panic, the hype, and the mistakes that ruin most beginner investors. Remember, slow, steady, and smart wins the race. If you learned something today, hit that like button. It tells me you're serious about your financial future. And subscribe, because I've got more tips coming on AI investing, ETFs, side hustles, and recession-proof wealth strategies. Drop a comment below. How much are you comfortable investing in crypto safely? Let's start a conversation. I read every comment. And finally, don't chase the next crypto headline. Build a strategy, stay disciplined, and remember the old Buffett rule, never lose money. Thanks for watching, and until next time, invest wisely, be patient, and keep your financial house in order.